When we speak of water balance, we are concerned with the interrelation of four factors: pH, alkalinity, calcium hardness, and TDS, or total dissolved solids. pH is the measure of acidity or basicity of the water. The pH scale runs from 0 to 14 with an ideal reading of 7.6 and an acceptable range of 7.2 to 7.8. Maintaining your pH at this level will ensure bather comfort, water balance, and maximize the effectiveness of your sanitizer. The type of sanitizer you use can affect your pH, as will rain and body oils, requiring you to test and adjust your pH on a regular basis. If the pH of your pool is below 7.2, your water is acidic. Add pH increaser to raise your pH level to 7.2 to 7.8. Acidic pool water can cause damage to pool surfaces, corrosion of metal components, and skin and eye irritation. If the pH of your pool is above 7.8, your water is too alkaline. You should add pH decreaser to lower your pH level to the 7.2 to 7.8 range. Alkaline water often looks hazy or dull and can cause the sanitizer to work less effectively, skin and eye irritation, and scaling. Total alkalinity is a measurement of the concentration of alkaline minerals in your pool water that provide a pH buffering capacity, giving the water the ability to resist sudden changes in the pH. Although total alkalinity is not the same as pH, it is instrumental in stabilizing the pH to prevent fluctuation. The ideal range to maintain your total alkalinity level is 80 to 120 parts per million. A total alkalinity reading below 80 parts per million is too low. This generally will cause the pH to remain low as well, causing your pool water to be corrosive and irritating to bathers. You should raise your total alkalinity level to 80 to 120 parts per million by adding total alkalinity increaser. A total alkalinity reading above 120 parts per million is too high and can cause scaling and high pH. You should add pH decreaser or muriatic acid to lower your total alkalinity reading to 80 to 120 parts per million. A calcium hardness test will determine the level of calcium salts in your water. Low calcium hardness levels can make the water corrosive. Too high, and staining, scaling, or cloudy water can appear. If you suspect you may have hard or soft water, on the initial fill of your pool dealer will be able to test your calcium hardness level and recommend any necessary adjustments to achieve the desired range of 200 to 400 parts per million. Total dissolved solids are the dissolved minerals and salts found in your pool water. Tap water generally contains a TDS level of 30 to 50 parts per million. High pool water temperatures lead to evaporation and increased perspiration, both of which raise the TDS level. Your pool dealer can test your TDS levels to be sure they are between 1,000 and 2,000 parts per million. Higher levels of TDS will decrease the efficiency of your sanitizer and accelerate corrosion. TDS levels can be lowered by draining and refilling the pool with fresh water. Remember, your pool dealer will test for calcium hardness and TDS, while you should test your water 2 to 3 times per week and maintain your pH between 7.2 and 7.8 and your total alkalinity between 80 and 120 parts per million.